8.
30 seconds! Come on, guys, if you've got it, you might just do it. Grab the statues, come on!
Can't you get last one?
It's going to be, come on, don't waste any time, come on!
You guys first.
Quickly! It's going to shut any second, come on, pass them through. Come on, quick as you can. Come on, quickly. Come on, out of there. You've done it!
Yes!
Oh my gosh, you've done it! You've done it! Give me the statues, get round here, guys. Get round here.
You get that one, Jim.
30 seconds, guys. Come on, guys. Quick as you can. Okay, 20 seconds. Okay, come and help him. Quickly. I'll do it. Oh, well done. How do you feel?
Great.
You got the golden monkey and everything else.
Hey. You.
Come on, guys, you've got 20 seconds to get out of there.
Okay,
come on, guys, grab the treasure. Take as much as you can, but you've only got 15 seconds. Come on, guys, pass it through to me. Okay, well done. And the gold one, you've got to get it out. Come on, get it out.
Yes.
Hold the door shut. Stop.
Yes.
You just made it. You got the golden monkey, guys.
T, that's it. Over. Here we go. That's it. Get it. Right. Okay, come on, grab it and get out quickly. Come on. Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 ho. Quick as you can. Woo. Next one. 20 seconds. Out you can. I'm still. Merry Christmas. Quick, Jed, quick. No, quick. Quick, Jed. Quick, David, quick. Come on. 10 seconds. Come on. Give my hand. Grab the bags out. Right, come on, Phil, come on. The belly's about to close. Quickly. Whoa. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Hang on a minute. What's all this stuff? You're supposed to have idols. Where are the idols? There's no presents. They're just presents.
Our feature one.
Go. Come on. Come on.
You get the silver.
Run. Get all of them. Come on. Quickly. Come on. You've got about 20 seconds-ish. Come on. Quick, hang on. Where's the gold? Oh, quick. Come on. Whoa, hang on. Out, it's wedged. Hang on. We've got it out. Whoa. And only a few seconds left. Look. And there you go. The tummy closes. Look at that. Very, very impressive. I've got to say, very impressive. You've got to be careful. If you tread on the sand, the golden monkey's going to get covered up.
Well,
that's 20 seconds!
Yes!
Come on, guys, you've got to be quick!
I'll get the last one.
10 seconds!
Up here, okay.
Come on! Out! Now! Out! Get out! What are you doing, dawdling up the steps? They're going to go quite... Honestly?
Yes!
Woo. 1 minute!
Go. Let's go to that plank, to that plank.
Pass me that, right.
Can't. Wait.
It's got to be...
Guys, that's it. Don't tread on the sand.
Go! Let's go!
Go.
Zara! I'll grab it! I'll grab it! Oh! Got it.
Come on, guys. Come on now, quick as you can.
Come on!
Come on. Hello. Wow.
There, yep. Okay, get it.
Right. Just... Okay.
So aim, you've
Go
got
on, that's it.
Go.
Right, out you come.
Let's get it.
Come on, 1 minute.
Go.
You could walk it out in that.
What? No, go. We want to get there.
Oh, come
get
on.
moving.
I want to be like an Olympic.
Go. Come on.
Come on. Hurry up.
Look at that.
Woohoo.
Make that look easy.
Jen. Run, just feet. Run. Come on.
30 seconds.
Come on, quick.
20 seconds. Come on, 15 seconds. Quickly. Oh, look at that. Wow. 5 seconds left. Look at that. Plenty of time in hand. Watch the tummy as it swings down. There you go. Wow. Hail the monkey. Go on, I'll be steady. You're up, mate. Let's get back. Easy life. 1 minute 10. They've got loads of time. They're going to walk back.
Let's settle this one.
Look at them. They're actually dawdling back. 1 minute. That's the challenge. Look at that. Confidence. They've got time to stop for a coffee. Look at this.
It's the slowest we've gone all day. Oh.
Look at that, eh? I mean, you literally dawdled back. Look at that. Talk about showing off.
Put the thing on so you can get the statue. Come on. So you can get the statue. So you can get the statue. Get the statue. Get the statue.
Okay.
Come on, go!
45 seconds.
Grab it. Shoot, stop holding it.
Here we go, come on.
I'm going. Go.
Oh. Yeah. Here we go. Look at that. Wow. That is, I'm impressed. I am impressed. Obviously, I'm not impressed with Flo bouncing one of the statues off the floor, but who cares? Right. Good, you're avoiding the sand. Excellent. Okay, back you come. Run.
Piece of cake!
Run!
Yeah, boy!
Go!
Wow. Look at that. You had plenty of time left there. You could have stopped for a coffee on the way out.